Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still on the gist from the palace of Oni of Ife, my correct people. Allegedly, you don't hear another alleged information. As they done the rumors say Oni of Ife's wife them that they are in serious sorrow right now. Then they cry. In short, they don't know exactly what to do. Hmm. Sometimes matter used to be good like this, so it's good to treat some people like this, because when you be telling someone to do something softly, the person will feel as if you don't know what you are doing. You cannot order her to do something the way you want her to do it. When it involve forces, they will not do something. So as we heard allegedly that Ooni of Ife's wife them, they are really crying right now as they receive desolation paper from the customary court. You hear that Kabiyesi said that if any of these Oloris are not ready to leave the palace for him and for Mama Tadenikawo to come back to the palace, that if they are not ready to leave, if they're not ready to go to that place they want, Ooni of Ife want them to go, that person is going to be divorced. And it have not been easy for them, for the king to say that if you're not ready to leave this palace and go to the place I got for you to stay, I'm not saying that I'm divorcing you, just that respect my order as a king and go to that place and stay. I'm still your husband. I'll be coming from time to time to see you. Just that Queen Naomi need to stay alone in the palace. They did not understand what the king is saying. In short, not that they didn't understand, they understand, but they just choose to disobey the king. And now that things is working the way it's working right now that Ademiju not open on your face eye, now that Ademiju want to tell on your face that it's not only you see this beautiful woman, me too, I see her, and no be only you go talk say, go just dey for this time dey tell us say you love this woman, why you no dey show her love? Me, I want to bring her back to into my own house and show her love. Now Oniofe don dey panic. So as the king dey panic, so he saw that this Ademiju is damn serious and he wants to collect Queen Naomi. He want to take Queen Naomi all by himself. He doesn't even want to hear anything that is coming from the back. He doesn't even want to hear that Kabiyesi is a king. I don't even know that this man, I don't know whether they taught him the cultures and traditions of this ile I don't think so. Because the way he had been acting simply means that I don't think the mother brought him up in Yoruba culture. Yes. Because I know that these Yoruba people, they respect their king a lot. If this man was brought up the way he should be brought up, that is in the ways of respecting the cultures and tradition, I don't think he will go after Queen Naomi to drag Queen Naomi from Ooni of Ife. Even when he found out that maybe this woman is Ooni of Ife's wife, he would have go back, that is draw back small. But this one, he's mean. I was telling Ooni of Ife that you don't love this woman. But if you check what he's saying from his own point of view, you see that you cannot blame him for saying that Ooni of Ife did not love Queen Naomi, because there is no how Ooni of Ife would say that he loves Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi will be out there, while the Oloris that you feel that you don't love more, the way you love Queen Naomi, will be in with you. So that is why the man is dragging to know if Queen Naomi will accept him, and he's going to, in short, if had it been say Queen Naomi accepted this man when he proposed, hey, now if I don't dey hear different story, because this man will go extra length of making sure that that traditional stuff that Ooni of Ife did in the Queen Naomi's life, that he undo it. But just thank God for Ooni of Ife that Queen Naomi still love him. Queen Naomi do not accept that proposal. So right now, after the king said that these women are going to leave, They don start dey do a lot of kaya matter o. They don start a lot of, see, na 3 we don count now. That is the one we have seen o. You don't even know the one that you yet to see, that is yet to come. You don't know who else that have prepared another juju and kaya matter and hide somewhere. Okay, now that Ooni of Ife have told them this, they now see that Ooni of Ife is serious about them leaving the palace. All of them now, they are really, really in sorrow. Even Mariam that said that nothing on this planet Earth will take her out of the palace, that palace is her dream place. That palace is a place where she have been dreaming. Even Toby said that there is no how she's going to live. That palace is the place she have been dreaming. Hey, is it not Iyalaje that made Toby to come to the palace? The same Iyalaje that brought Toby into the palace. Toby and Iyalaje is not even moving in the same direction. If the Iyalaje is coming right now, Toby will just go the other side because things are not working out for them again. So how do you expect things to work out for Toby and the other even Queen Naomi in that palace? Because Toby no get good character. There's no how Toby can be able to stay in that palace. If all we are hearing happen to be true, because me I not there. Me and Toby did not even live for the same house. So may anybody know misunderstand me, say I talk say Toby no get good character. From what we have been hearing, the way we hear she acts and all of that, that is why I said what I said. So my correct people, now Ooni of Ife is damn serious. No, even the customary court, they have brought this desolation paper. They have handed it over to these people. I don't know whether they hand it over to them one by one. I don't just know. But what we heard is that they have handed it over to them. Then they are now panicking. They thought that when Ooni of Ife was saying all of this, that Ooni of Ife was not serious. They don't say Ooni of Ife is serious. When the court have brought it and they have seen it, and as long as this thing is as long as court is involved in this kind of a thing, you don't say no be small thing now. So if you mess up, na court go handle your case. Thank God. And we heard again that they are giving 21 good days. 21 good days to vacate the palace to a place where Ooni of Ife get for them. If you don't want to vacate, if you don't want to go to that place, pack your load and leave the palace forever and ever and never return back to the palace. And don't even return back to Ooni of Ife's life. But does it work that way? If Ooni of Ife want to give them a divorce letter, Ooni of Ife need to give them a divorce letter. But I thought it's when someone did wedding, that person will, that is white wedding, that is when the person will receive a divorce paper. I heard that customary courts can dissolve a traditional marriage, but what about giving divorce paper? Can they also, or if that person just pack out and leave, the marriage is dissolved? I don't know. I'm starting to be corrected. Please don't forget that they are all alleged information. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I love you guys. Bye.